husband. Here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life.
He has to be taller than me though. Like probably 6'1". Yeah. But the lowest I'll go is like 5'8" or 5'10".
Right?
That's one. His skin has to look clean and neat, and I like dark skin guys. But if the guy's brown, then you know the height have to make it look, you know. Hair doesn't really have a, you know, I'm not really touchy with the hair, but hair has to look good though.
Personality?
Personality. You can joke with me, you can put up with me. If you can play games, if you're very playful, but you can be emotional with me, and like we can really connect emotionally, that'd be great. You know. Remember everything. Remember every damn thing. Yeah? Take every note. You know, very spiffy, very neat. I like creative guys as well. Yes.
Okay. So furthermore, I'll start off with the personality. The person has to be sweet. Has to be honest. You know that's hard to find. Loyalty. Those are key. You know, I feel look good. Right? I'm handsome. Face and everything and body. Being a tall is a plus. Definitely. Sorry. Be very romantic and let me smile a lot. You know, the simple stuff do matter. You know, that's it.
Well, one, he has to have a sense of spirituality. So he has to know what he is, as in terms of being in touch with his spiritual self. And then I really don't want to have someone that's saying that I'm looking for myself. I'm more looking for someone that is taking the initiative to create the person they want to be. So I want someone that has a sense of who he is, who he wants to be, and how to get to where exactly he wants to be. I want someone with vision. I want someone with a goal. I want someone with direction. I want someone that will be able to guide me in my path as well, like along my journey. So yeah, that's really what I'm looking for. I mean, looks are great, but they have to have a great sense of self and who they are becoming. And then we can get there together.
Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving,